y'all, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Treenaylyons. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe before you leave here today, and turn on your post notification bell so you can be notified every time that I post, baby. Okay, like, what are you doing if you're not already subscribed? What are you doing? Go ahead and handle that for me. Yeah, thank you. So I have this mask on. Today is Monday. It is currently the 13th, 11:18 at night. I just took a shower, did a everything shower, and I'm like wrapping up everything for the night, and I'm about to just wind down and lay down and chill and watch TV till I go to sleep. I'm about to take this mask off. I'm prepping for NYC. Tomorrow morning I have to be up at like 4:30 a.m. 5 because I want to do my makeup. I don't want to do it on the plane. I want to just do it so I don't have to worry about it. So I'm gonna do my makeup early in the morning. I'm doing like a nice cute little Valentine's Day look. My hair is done, lashes are done, nails done. I'm just doing some skincare stuff and some like self-care stuff. But I just want to come in here and start the vlog, the New York vlog. So in the morning we will be heading to the airport, going to NYC. Gonna see what NYC got going on. I haven't been in NYC since 2019 or 2019. I was there for 3 days. I was there for business and like just like, yeah, for the first time, and it was a vibe. It was fun. So yeah, that's what we're doing. If y'all want to see what's the tea in NYC, just keep on watching. I am going to wash this off and put all my stuff out so I can have it when I first wake up in the morning. And I'll see y'all when I'm up and probably do my makeup after I take a shower and stuff. So see y'all in the morning. Good morning, y'all. It's the next day. It is literally it's 4:48 in the morning. I'm about to do my makeup. I know I sound, listen, this is just, it's early. I'm about to get in the shower, hop in the shower first, and then I'm gonna do, what is it called? My skincare, stuff like that. And then I'm gonna do my makeup and get dressed. And it's time to go. So I need to hurry up. Seriously, I'm kind of behind schedule. So yeah, y'all. It is Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day to everybody. Everybody deserves Valentine, regardless of the day and the overpriced products and all that. It's really not that important. The love part is what's important. So just make sure you spread love today, even if you're not receiving it, give it, and you never know what you'll receive. So a smile, a hug, you never know. It might make somebody's day. So happy B-Day to everybody. Now, I was gonna do a voiceover, but I might not do my voiceover for this too. I might just do a nice aesthetic TikTok and call it a day. Okay guys, I'm out the shower. I am about to do my makeup. I just put some primer. I did my skincare and then I did some primer. Y'all hear that sound? That is my air purifier. Just, I have to have it on. It's like, it keeps me calm in all this chaos. I'm about to do my makeup. I'm doing it in the bed because I don't feel like leaving out of here. Everything's already in here. So, got my primer on. I'm going to be using the YSL Bloom foundation that they actually sent me in PR. I'm just trying to get stuff together real quick. Okay, so I'm going to do makeup real quick. And then chop it up with y'all in a second. Seriously, need to hurry up. These clothes, they're air drying. So I'm gonna use the red because I'm gonna do a red gloss look. So this is the red one. This is the other one. And it has the Valentino ridges on it. So damn cute. Too good to be true. So yeah, I'm gonna bring this with me. I'm doing makeup. And then on to the next. This is my color. Right here. And the color DC7. Okay. Let me do makeup. And I will talk to y'all once that process is over and done with. Yeah, here's my little skin bodysuit. Skin and Valentine. Sexy, period. This is going under my outfit, so my trench is right here.
Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Don't play with it.
Okay, y'all, so we made it to the airport. And the seats are changed. We're way in the front. I left my tripod at the house. I don't want to carry too much, you know what I'm saying? But I'm about to board soon, so I'll see y'all on the airport. On the plane. I got my AirPods and these AirPods on because the last time I got on the airplane, my ears, like my head felt like it was gonna literally, like I'm not even playing, explode. Like it was scary. Like I was crying. Like I had a whole anxiety attack. So I'm really hoping that I don't have no display because it don't feel good. Like actually, it hurts. So can I break it? Head out. NYC. I'm coming for you, baby. I am in NYC. We're here. My stomach hurt. We got a delay. Missed the stop, so we gotta wait for a bus to come from this area to take us to where we need to be. It's already BS. But my stomach hurt, y'all. It's loud. I'll talk to y'all when I'm inside.
Riding with us.
On the subway. Y'all, it has been a whole listen. But it's cool. It feels good to be in New York again. I just really want to go to the bathroom. Can't think. We are here. Y'all, I'm so excited. Ooh. It's the seats for me. Existence, and yeah, like that's just what it is. Too pretty. Let me get some photos. Y'all look at me, y'all. I'm about to go over there and get a good photo. Like, look at it. Now look at this. there, or find a food truck, something like that. But I'm ready to go. I am so hot in the summit. If you planning on coming here, baby, shorts and a t-shirt. It's too hot, okay? But New York is the vibe. I love NYC. So pretty.
When you're black, you're never really lonely because there will always be a white person all up in your business.
Getting that good content, baby. Getting that good content. I love New York. They just live so fast. Back on the subway, y'all. First of all, was on the wrong subway. Had to get off that subway and get on a new subway because they was taking us the wrong way. We had to redirect. So I'm trying to get to Starbucks Reserve, eat, just sit down for a couple seconds, and then move on to do a little quick photo shoot. Try to get a shot. And yeah. All right, y'all. I left the summit. It was a vibe. Now, I'm off the subway. I forgot I just talked to y'all on the subway. About to head to Starbucks Reserve, see what it's giving. And not gunshots. So cute out here. And we're gonna see what I get to eat because your girl is hungry, okay? I didn't eat a thing today. Not one thing. So, look at these buildings. Oh, that's a cute coat. That's a really cute coat. I just love the New Yorkers. Like, and all the New Yorkers today has been really nice. Like, well, I don't remember them being mean ever. Like, not even the first time I came here. Like, I think people just be saying that. Like, they're actually pretty nice. But they got so many delis. The deli, typical day-to-day stuff. Sure, this is a regular lemonade, extra sweet. I was gonna get a hot drink, but I'm so hot, y'all. I need some cold. I'm sorry. I'm gonna get some food, some tacos. Hi. Y'all, I don't know what to get. I think I'm gonna go with taco. So yeah, I'm about to grab some food. Yeah. Salted beef. I don't know, real beef. Oh, chorizo. So good. So good. This food's gonna be so good, y'all. I don't know why it's so dark, y'all. I have no idea what's going on, but let me get these photos real quick. So good. Yes. Well, yeah, that looks good.
All right. No está pagado.
Okay, y'all. Getting out of the Uber. Thank you again. Happy Valentine's Day. Oh, okay. Okay. I'm so tired of being hot. I'm putting the AC on 70 tonight. Okay, y'all, just got the Uber. Got the food secured. Nothing all day, y'all. It's 5 o'clock. Hello. Thank you. Wrong place. All right, y'all, gotta hurry up. 1 second. Okay, y'all, I'm about to try this taco. seems skinny.
She's 8? No, she's 18.
Yeah, so that's fine. She can come to you right here. So where is she sitting?
8A.
And what are you sitting at?
If it was hot, y'all, it's good. I could do with some guac would have been good, but it's good. It's chicken, cilantro, onion, sour cream, corn tortilla with a little bit of sauce.
You may need to be reseated if you do not meet the criteria, as you may suffer any bodily harm. Would not be able to. Flight 3368, with service to Fort Lauderdale, welcome aboard.
10 would recommend. Bye, NYC. It's fun. Okay, y'all, I'm back home. Back in Miami, channel. Had so much fun though. It was very cool, very quick, but 10 would recommend. Hey guys, I am home, as you can see. It is currently 11:30, I think. Yeah, 11:31. I just got out the shower, did some skincare, eat, drink some wine, and then I'm gonna go to sleep properly because it's been long. So yeah, I'm about to just chill. I've been on go all day, as y'all saw, and I'm pretty much closing out this video. It was a one-day vlog. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to turn on your post notification bell so you can be notified every single time that I post. And happy Valentine's Day once again before it's 12 a.m. Happy Valentine's Day. Show love, spread love, give love, and you'll receive love.